out back there?
Is your hand stuck still?
I'm gonna tell him the story. Okay, he was putting on a seatbelt. Then his hands are like this now, and he's like.
Show them.
See, it's sort of stuck. Like, I'm not even like,
Show him the knot.
oh, the knot? Okay. Let me put this. Okay, so there's the knot.
Go make me cry.
How did that get around your fingers?
I put it like that.
It just told me how much. My video has an hour to upload.
Don't be uploading anything right now, Keeler, but I'm gonna freak out on you.
Why?
It takes Wi-Fi to upload.
Nah.
Yes, it does.
How do you know?
Oh my God! Are you seriously gonna argue with your mother?
Yep.
Is
I will
it
beat
still
you,
stuck?
too. I'm
Nope.
in a crappy mood right now.
Yes.
I'm gonna beat you.
Nope, you're already crying.
It's in a bad knot.
You left your jacket at Sky Zone. Now you get your hands stuck in a seatbelt.
Yeah.
Alright, and how's your day going?
So far good.
Alright, good.
Okay, my turn.
Even though I'm dumb sometimes.
Please do like and
Can you give me my
subscribe.
Bye-bye.